Features of PHP. Below are some of the features of PHP. First is an easy-to-learn syntax. PHP has a unique syntax that starts with an angle bracket followed by a question mark followed by the word PHP and ends with a question mark followed by an angle bracket. So within this opening and closing tag of PHP goes the rest of the code. So it has a very easy to learn syntax. Secondly, PHP supports different databases ranging from MySQL, MongoDB, SQLite, Oracle, PDO, Postgres, Firebird, even Access, and many more. It supports different databases. Thirdly, PHP supports multiple servers. PHP works with almost all servers we use today: Apache, IIS, URL, etc. The fourth on the list, it is HTML embedded. What that means is that you can add a PHP code just before the HTML opening tag, or within a HTML tags, or even outside the HTML tag, that is outside HTML closing tag. So PHP is HTML embedded. Fifth, PHP is interpreted. PHP codes are read line by line. It is interpreted, so it reads each line of code independently and not like a batch. Also, it is cross-platform and compatible. PHP code written on one operating system does not need to be modified to run on a different operating system. It is cross-platform and it is compatible. Also, PHP is server-side language. So what that means is that PHP runs on a web server that is able to interact with a PHP interpreter and then returns the interpreted script to the web browser. Also, PHP is case sensitive. All PHP variables are case sensitive, but all PHP functions are not. The last but not the least, error reporting. This is a function in PHP that tells which error is displayed. By default, this is normally turned on, but it can be turned off or limited by the developer. So PHP has error reporting, but this is one of the downside of PHP in that it has a poor error reporting. So as we go along in our next videos, you'll get to understand the features of PHP better. So stay tuned for the next lesson.